So congratulations guys, you have completed the whole course. Now the final step is to give your website a great theme. Now I haven't created the playlist of WordPress theme in English, but yeah, before the 31st I will try to make one playlist because of my exams. But yeah, don't worry, I know that you are probably watching it from the future time, right? So you will get it. You just have to go on my YouTube channel and go to the playlist, right? And you will find it, right? And you can just give a great look for your website. And also for e-commerce thing, I will just make in that playlist only. The title of the playlist should be WordPress themes in English. This is in Hindi. Okay, so I will also make it on English language. So yeah, you just have to wait, or if you won't get it right, so you can just DM me on Instagram. I will just update it for you, right? So thank you for watching the whole playlist, right? And yeah, everything happens for a reason, so that's why you are on my YouTube channel watching those things and gaining knowledge. Now the final thing is, after learning that how you can customize your own theme, how you can make money is by launching your own website or startup or e-commerce, or you can sell websites to others on other platforms such as Fiverr is a great platform, right? So you can sell make websites of other and gain some money. And yeah, you can do that on part time, right? So hope you learned so much. And thanks for watching the whole playlist, and I will just try to update as soon as possible. And if you have any query, you can DM me on Instagram. The link is in the description. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe the channel, right? So so that you will get the notification, right? So yeah, let's end the session and this playlist here. And I hope if you find the playlist, you are lucky enough. So just start learning that and give your website a great look, and stand in front of others, right, that you have created your own website, right? And also you can share with them the playlist so that they also learn it. And that's all for today, and see you soon.